Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to be sharing a simple recipe for making your own shower bombs using essential oils. These are a wonderful, wonderful way to turn your shower experience into like a spa experience. All you do is you drop one little tablet down in the bottom of your shower before you get in, let the water and steam hit it, and you will smell all of the essential oils that you put in permeating throughout the duration of your shower. If you'd like to see how I do this, keep watching. All right, so the ingredients for this is very simple. You will need some baking soda, 2 cups of baking soda, so that's what I have here. You need citric acid, and I have this here, and it is a 1/2 cup that you'll need of that. You will need a 1.5 tablespoons of water. You need some type of mixer, KitchenAid or any type of hand mixer should do. And then you will need your mold. I'm going to be using these that I got from, ordered off of Amazon. So they're just some silicone molds that I'm using. And then my essential oil of choice is lavender, but you can use whatever essential oil that you want to use. And if you want, you can add food coloring if you want to have colors to them, but I'm just going to make these just plain white today. So that's all you need. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. So we're going to start off by mixing our citric acid in the bowl along with the baking soda. And then we're going to stir that up and mix it up together. And I'm just using a regular old spoon to kind of stir it up to create a mix of both ingredients. Just stir them up and make sure it gets mixed up really well. We're going to use the mixer in a few minutes with the liquid, so it'll really get mixed up, but you want to start off with it mixed together. So that's what I'm doing here. Now in another bowl, I'm going to mix my water. So we're going to go with a 1.5 tablespoons of water. And then you put your essential oil in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that in to mix. Now this is the point where you would add your food coloring if you were using food coloring. But I'm not, so I'm just gonna mix it like this. Now you add 20 drops of the oil that you're using. That's the mix of that. So I've got that mixed together with the water, and now it's ready to go in here slowly as you're mixing with the hand mixer. Now, as I am mixing this, the key is to do the process very slowly where you're adding in the liquid. You don't want to add it all at once. You want the essential oils and the water to get all throughout. So you just put a little bit at a time. You can use a dropper if you have one to do this process, but I'm just trying to carefully put a little bit in at a time so that I get it mixed up very well. And it's going to mix to kind of like the consistency of a paste. It's not going to be super, super wet. Now, if you see that you need a little bit more water, it's okay to add that as long as you don't get it too wet, because then they won't harden the way that you want them to. So I'm just mixing them and getting them all ready now for the next process. It's so very easy to make these. I can't believe I've been buying them all these years. All right, so it is at the consistency that I'm wanting. It is moist but not wet. So we're gonna go ahead and put it into the mold. And I'm just gonna pack them in so that it gets the shape and fills up, and mash it down like that. And I'll go ahead and do another one, and then I'll go off camera and come back on when they're all set. Once they're all set, they sit for several hours so that it can go ahead and harden And then I can take them out of the mold and put them into a container in my bathroom, and they're ready for use. All right, so I've got them all set here, and I ended up with 12 of them. How many you get depends, of course, on the size of your mold. I have some fairly large molds here, so I only got 12, which is okay. So now they just need to sit so that they can harden in the mold, and then they're all set. So it's been a couple hours and these are starting to dry, but I need to take them on out of here and let them sit out so that they can dry on the other side and dry all the way through. See the little roses, so they came out nicely. They're cracking up just a little bit, or some of the powder is kind of loose, but it's okay because once it goes in the water, it's all going to fizz away anyway. So they're supposed to sit out for probably a couple more hours just to make sure that they're completely hardened and dry. So I'm going to just let them sit out here like this. But they turned out really nicely. They would be really cute with the food coloring to just kind of put a little bit of style to them, if you will. They would look cute, but it's okay. I kind of want it to go as natural as possible. I don't know what's in food coloring. So here we go. I'll be back. They smell so good. So I use the lavender essential oil, but you can use anything that you want. If you want to use lemongrass or bergamot, if you want a more natural, earthy type of smell, or eucalyptus, orange, anything that you want. But these lavender ones smell so good. I love it. So now they're all ready to go into the apothecary jar on my counter, and they're ready for use. So I'm really excited about them. They are smelling so good. I cannot wait to experience the lavender. Also can't wait to make some more because I just love essential oils and the health benefits from them. There's so many things that they can do for you when you have the aromatherapy to relieve stress, anxiety, to help with your focus. It's just so many different things that different oils can do. So I enjoy aromatherapy, and this is just another perfect way to get that in each day. So all I do is drop one into the shower when I'm ready to enjoy them, into the running shower with the steam, and just let the aroma permeate through the air. And they're very fragrant, so that's a good thing. And then you step into the shower and let the experience happen. Just enjoy it. So that's all I've done here, and I'll get in here and just enjoy the shower. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video today. These are such an easy DIY project that you can make. You can even make them with your kids if you want. It's really quick. It does take a couple hours to make it, but that's just because of the process of the bath bombs drying. You can also make bath bombs where you can sit in the tub with them. That's your choice, but they're all very easy, super inexpensive. Baking soda, the citric acid, and water and essential oils. They don't break the bank, so it's a wonderful way to give yourself a little treat for just a little bit of money. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you come back by again.